Okay, Sn of the series minus 4 minus 2, 0, plus 2 plus something is 84. So what they're saying is if they add up a certain amount of numbers, so this is your sequence, and if you add them all up, eventually when you add them all up, you get 84. So how many numbers in the sequence? Well, the first thing they're asking is find the value of a. Well, a is the first term, so a is just minus 4, and d minus 4. How do I get from minus 4 to minus 2? By adding 2. Minus 2 to 0, adding 2. 0 to 2, adding 2. So I can see that d is a positive 2. Now they want to find the value of n. So Sn of the series is 84. So when I add up a certain amount of these numbers, I get 84. So how many of these numbers do I have to add up? So I use my Sn formula. Sn equals n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Perfect. Now, I don't know what n is, but I know Sn must be 84 when I add them all up. So 84 is equal to n over 2. 2 times minus 4 is my a, plus n minus 1, and d is 2. Okay, so 84 is equal to n over 2 minus 8 plus 2n minus 2. Okay, I'm going to bring this 2 over to multiply. So 2 times 84 is 168. N times minus 8 plus 2n minus 2. Sorry, just to reiterate there, the 2 is dividing, so I came across to multiply, and 2 times 84 is 168. So now I'm going to multiply the n into the brackets. N times minus 8, minus 8n. N times plus 2n squared. And n times minus 2, minus 2n. Right, we're going to bring everything to the left. So 0 is equal to, I've got 2n squared, minus 8n minus 2n is minus 10n. And when 168 comes over, it becomes minus 168. Now, I'm going to show you a little trick if you want. Actually, what? We won't. So it's a quadratic, so I can use my minus b formula. A is 2, b is minus 10, and c is 168. So let's put those all into the minus b formula. So remember, its n in this case is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So n is equal to minus 10 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so minus 10 to b squared, minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is minus 168. Ooh, it's hard to see, sorry. All over 2 times 2. So n is equal to 10 plus or minus. So let's work out that bracket. So I've got 10 squared minus 4 times 2 times minus 168. Okay, so you got 1,444 all over 4. So I have to work out 2 of those. I have to work out in my calculator, one of them for the plus and one for the minus. So let's do 10 plus square root of 144 over 4. So fraction button, and 10 plus the square root of 1444 all over 4. And I get 12. And something tells me my next answer is going to be one that doesn't make sense, which is perfect. And my other answer is minus 7. So the question was, how many terms do I have to add up in this sequence in order that they add up to 84? And the answer is you can either add up 12 terms or minus 7 terms. Minus 7 makes no sense. So we'll take 12 as our answer.